Dry hair can be a common concern for many people and is often characterized by a lack of moisture, leading to brittleness, dullness, and an increased likelihood of breakage. This condition can result from various factors, including environmental conditions, hair care practices, and even dietary habits. Understanding how to properly care for dry hair is essential for restoring its health and vitality. Managing dry hair involves a combination of good habits and avoiding practices that can worsen the condition. Here are 10 tips including do's and don'ts. Use moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. Dry hair lacks moisture, so it is essential to use products designed to add and retain hydration. Look for shampoos and conditioners that contain ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, or natural oils. These help replenish moisture and create a protective barrier. Conditioner regularly. Conditioning helps restore moisture, smooth the hair cuticle, and reduce tangling. Apply conditioner after every shampoo, focusing on the mid-lengths to ends. For deeper hydration, use a leave-in conditioner or a deep conditioning mask once a week. Limit heat styling. Heat can strip moisture from hair and lead to damage. Try air drying your hair when possible. If you must use heat, choose the lowest effective temperature and always apply a heat protectant. Trim regularly. Regular trims remove split ends and prevent them from traveling up the hair shaft. Aim to get a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to keep your hair looking fresh and healthy. Hydrate from within. Proper hydration helps maintain the health of your hair and scalp. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day and eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Use a wide tooth comb. Wet hair is more fragile and prone to breakage. Use a wide tooth comb to gently detangle hair from the ends upward. Avoid pulling or tugging. Apply hair oils. Natural oils can provide an extra layer of moisture and add shine. Apply a few drops of oil to the ends of your hair. You can also use oil treatments or overnight masks for deeper conditioning. Protect your hair while sleeping. Friction from pillowcases can cause breakage and split ends. Use a silk or satin pillowcase to reduce friction. Alternatively, you can wrap your hair in a silk scarf or sleep with a silk pillowcase. Avoid overwashing. Frequent washing can strip natural oils from your hair and scalp. Try to wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week. Use dry shampoo between washes to absorb excess oil if needed. Use leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioners provide ongoing moisture and help with detangling. Apply a small amount of leave-in conditioner to damp hair, focusing on the ends. This will help maintain moisture throughout the day. Don't use hot water. Hot water can strip your hair of natural oils and moisture. Wash your hair with lukewarm or cool water to help preserve its moisture. Don't overuse hair products. Excessive use of styling products can build up and weigh down your hair. Use products sparingly and focus on those that offer hydration without heavy buildup. Don't skip conditioner. Conditioner helps to lock in moisture and smooth the hair cuticle. Always use conditioner after shampooing and avoid skipping this step to maintain hydration. Don't brush wet hair aggressively. Wet hair is more prone to breakage and damage. Use a wide tooth comb or your fingers to gently detangle wet hair. Avoid pulling or tugging. Don't use alcohol-based products. Alcohol can dry out hair and exacerbate dryness. Check the ingredient list of hair products and choose those without high alcohol content. Don't expose hair to excessive sun. UV rays can dehydrate hair and lead to damage. Protect your hair from the sun by wearing a hat or using hair products with UV protection when spending time outdoors. Don't neglect scalp health. A healthy scalp contributes to overall hair health. Use gentle scalp treatments or exfoliants to keep your scalp clean and hydrated. Don't use harsh chemicals. Chemical treatments can weaken hair and increase dryness. Limit the use of dyes, perms, or relaxers. If you do use them, ensure they are followed by conditioning treatments to minimize damage. Don't overdo heat styling. Excessive heat can cause significant dryness and damage. Use heat styling tools less frequently and always apply a heat protectant to minimize damage. Don't skip hydration treatments. Regular hydration treatments are crucial for maintaining moisture balance. Incorporate deep conditioning treatments or hydrating masks into your routine to provide extra moisture and nourishment. Following these detailed tips can help keep your hair hydrated, healthy, and looking its best